We are on deck 7 at the forward staircase, right in front of the forward elevator bank. If you go left, there are some restrooms and one of the main entrances to the Mardi Gras Theater. If you go right, there are more restrooms and another entrance to the Mardi Gras Theater. Deck 7 is also where the casino is. I'm not going to film in there, so let's pass through it. We just passed through the casino from that entrance of the Mardi Gras Theater. We turn around, and again we are heading from the forward to the aft of the ship. And here we are again at Grand Central, as well as the Grand View Bar with this amazing waterfall effect behind the bar. Yeah, if we continue, there is some special seating up here that you can access from right in front of the bar. There's the upper side of that beautiful staircase we saw earlier. More of the casino there. The sound and light booth for center stage. And some stadium style seating for center stage as well. It has great views of the stage. Continuing on. If we cut through this little path here, there's this large chair for pictures. The upper part of the beautiful staircase we saw on embarkation day. Another entrance to the casino which spans deck 7 forward to roughly midship. And here is the midship elevator bank. If we turn left, we have the Carnival store. You can get various Carnival branded gifts, things like that. Mardi Gras. Continue. There are some restrooms here on the left-hand side. Back to the upper part of that staircase. The entrance to the Limelight Lounge, which is currently a nightclub. We also have Alchemy Bar. There it is. This also overlooks deck 6 and that seating area across from the fortune teller bar. Yeah. Continuing on, there's more of Alchemy Bar. An upper look at Emerald's Bistro. More seating area. I think this ship has the most seating areas that I have seen. Alright, we are roughly deck 7 in the aft of the ship. And now we are at the steakhouse, Fahrenheit 555. Note, reservations are required, and as of May of 2022, it is $42 per person. If you wish to sit inside the restaurant, you cannot wear shorts for guys, but you can sit outside here in the small seating areas they have. Now, across from the Fahrenheit 555 is the second level of that just amazing staircase that we saw earlier on deck 6. Now, if we continue on, Dream Studio on the left-hand side, and the deck 7 entrance to the Palm Restaurant, which is where we've actually had to check in for your time dining if we wanted to do main dining for dinner. We turn right. These are the aft stairs and the aft elevator bank. Now, come to the map. We start here. Came through. We did not record in the casino. Past the Carnival Store and Island Traders, Alchemy Bar, and now we are here. Hope this helps. See you on board.